staying sounds of howl. Squeeze the middle of your throat. It's a deep, constricted sound. Don't just say ah. Push the sound from the back.
عسل عسل.
The eyes jiblef. It's a light, breathy sound from your chest. Think of single quotes. Ha-ha. No throat squeezing here. Who's like the hello or how?
Ha 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 ha. Haram haram haram.
The eyes like soft breath after a light jog. It's very light, easy, and comes from your chest.
Herra.
The Hamza is like the sharp stop and ouch. It's a sharp cutoff of air in your throat. Think of the sound between A-O. Don't let the air flow. Snap it shut.
أسد أسد أ.
Te spikiache. Squeeze your throat to cool it down.
حرم حرم.
Now, let's hear them side by side. Listen closely to the difference.
أسد عسل. هرم حرم.
Which one is the hardest for you? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more Arabic hacks.